Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. Well, we're back at Rivs, and I know I feature a lot of Mopars because that's just kind of where my friends and family kind of have. And Rick has been changing and growing his collection. This thing, oh, this thing is so nice. 66 Fairlane GT convertible, and I don't know, this white and black is sure doing it for me. This thing is just gorgeous with a 5-speed installed, and the hood indicates 390, badging indicates 390. We'll check out the VIN. I'm guessing the VIN is the first time I've seen it in over a year, and I actually forgot what it looked like. But this thing is wicked. So this one's for sale, reluctantly, but it is for sale. But it's packing a 428 under the hood. Look at that monstrous machine. So yeah, this thing is wicked. The bright work is nice. Yeah, gee whiz. I like the torque thrust 2s. Let's finish the walk around here. Like super straight. If you're looking at this, the Corvette in the back's for sale too, and the truck. Everyone wants a classic truck that still you can put vintage plates on. That's an 86, but wow, yeah, this Fairlane is just clean. Let's crack the bonnet open here. Oh, look at that fire. This thing, I'm sure, drives just like a dream. So yeah, it has brand new interior, tremec TKO 500, which is what I guessed. Factory or gauges are in the console. That's neat. I like that. True Track Posi, Detroit Moser axles. Oh my god, new rad. Power disc brakes, power steering, and a convertible, and a rag top. Wow. Yeah, this is, like I said, you can tell in the conglomerate of videos that it's a lot of Mopars, but I could see myself driving this. Absolutely. Look at that. Oh, yeah, weather strippings all look good. Yeah, this thing is cherry. Oh man. Dual exhaust. Well, maybe get some right. It is noisy. I hope you can hear this video. I have my microphone from Fraser. I got the windbreaker, the fur thing on top, so I'm hoping you can hear this loud and clear. 2.5-inch exhaust. Oh yeah. I think he just brought it out of winter storage. Let's have a look here. Fairlane, yeah, 120 mile an hour stereo, 120 mile an hour speedometer. AM radio. Power amp, power top. There's the button for the top. Crank windows. Oh man, yeah, this is. Oh, me likey. Yep. Cool. Well, get on down to Rivs. Come check out his stuff. Like I said, 837B, 50th Street East, here in Saskatoon. Have a little sit-down feel here. Oh yeah, that feels good. Feels real good. I'm sure driving this back behind that 428, it seems real nice. Tack. Oh yeah, there's our aftermarket gauges. I like that. Different. Cool beans. All right, well, always something new and exciting at Rivs, so it seems. All right, take care. Thanks everybody for following and watching the channel. We are yeah, we're just in the hot and heavy of car show season, so be on the lookout for more videos coming regularly. All right, take care and bye for now.